Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome back to another video on my channel. Okay, today I will be going on a hike. The mountain's called Diamond Head. I'm still in Hawaii, as you guys know. If you watched the previous video, I'm in Hawaii. This is the first thing that I'm doing. So a lot of the people that I came with, we're gonna go on this hike together. I've never been hiking ever. So I'm going for the experience. You know, I said I was gonna be adventurous while I'm here. So we're gonna get out there and we're gonna see what's going on. For now, I'm just gonna prep. I have a CamelBak. Heard you need one of these to go hiking, so I have this. I'm gonna fill it up, and then we'll get the day started. Okay, I got my water filled up. I think I just put it back in here. I just told my friend.
You just wrap it around.
I'm vlogging. Don't make me look stupid.
Just no. Look.
I gotta put that in.
Look,
Oh.
bro.
Oh. That makes sense.
Oh.
Well, Lord.
Did you tighten it though?
What, this?
This.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then that goes through here.
You gotta take the plastic off later, but yeah, and then just. What you doing?
I want to take my straw out.
Oh, for what?
To
Not right
drink.
now. Yeah,
Fine.
yeah, just yeah, and then put you like a piece of gum or something in here. In this part. Or
Put my wallet in here. So that
gang. No, I'm playing.
you're good. You driving?
Yeah.
Cool. Alright.
You got everything you need. You got your
Yeah, I'm good.
your ID, your credit card.
I'm good.
Okay.
Alright, so we are getting the day started. Finally.
Hey.
That's Harris. Wow, no cussing
no
on my
cussing, sorry.
channel.
We're sailors. We have a sailor mouth.
Goodness. So yeah, right now we're gonna go meet up with some more sailors. Everybody, dang, I got dark. Everybody that want to do this hike together, and we gonna go from there.
They tried it. They goofy as fuck for that.
Okay.
They knew nobody was coming out the shop until after. Come on now.
Okay, so apparently a lot of the group went yesterday, and we thought it was today. I guess they got off work early and went. But a few of us, is it just us and Peek'em?
I guess so, yeah.
3 of us are still gonna go do the hike. You know, I'm already ready. I'm not gonna not go, so we'll go by ourselves. I'll get back with y'all once we get close to the destination. here. We finally made it to Diamond Head. We're about to begin the hike. We're waiting on a few people, and then we're gonna get started. This girl, she's ready. We are beginning the hike now. I think it's like 1.6, a 1.6 mile hike there and back.
MWR is doing Cocoa Head on Tuesday afternoon at 4:15.
What?
I don't know, but
Hold on, cause what is it?
It looks like that animal that comes out in the Lion King, Timon.
What?
Not the hog, the other one.
Listen, I'm not. I don't really like that many animals, so if y'all hear me scream a few times, that's it. Or if I take off running, y'all know why.
Be like, record her.
take all around. You know how to do that one. You just go like.
Yo, I don't even think we halfway.
We're not even hit 0.5 yet. And we tired.
We not made for this. What did we sign up for? I'm tired for real. Shit.
Don't trip.
We in the jungle for real. Look at this. Y'all good? Y'all not tired?
We're feeling like we're about to die.
Just getting started. Just getting started. Don't give up. We're gonna get this hike over with. See how far we got. Let me show y'all. That's how far we got. I thought I was gonna vlog like the whole hike. Nah. I'm gonna have to keep coming back because it's real unstable. I ain't trying to fall or nothing. So I'll be back. Alright, I'll get back with y'all. Look. There's folks all the way up there. That's how far we gotta go. To the top. They leaving me, I gotta go. So here's another view. Went up further. We're literally in the middle of this mountain. Wait till y'all see what my hair look like when I'm done with this. We're gonna make it. Alright, gotta catch up again. This is the best view so far. You can even see the water. Yo! Woo! I'm in the tunnel. We made it to the end of the tunnel. Oh, hell! So, woo! Oh yeah, that's gonna kill us.
What's the difference between these and these? I think that's a shortcut.
Yeah, it's more direct. So if you get up there, like it's a straight shot. This one's good.
Why you just don't want to go to the steps? Ready off this. Are you tired?
I'm a
You what? Oh, Pico, come here. How you feeling, Pico? Look, I'm feeling like this. No, not easy. It's not easy.
We strong people.
Yes,
What do you
ma'am.
think?
We strong. We got it.
Always good.
Always good. What about you? You good?
Grab out water.
Show me how you eat. Like this.
See?
Look, I
She's
bought this at
perfect.
the swap meet. Isn't that
Did you?
cool?
How much?
$25.
$25?
With
That's
the
worth
rope.
it though with the rope.
With the rope.
Wow.
And I got to pick the color of lid and everything.
Okay.
We gotta check out that swap meet.
She's an exercise girl.
You have to make sure you go to this one dude only.
I'm
'cause
going
the other
tomorrow.
ones are like 58, 70 bucks. This
Really?
was cheaper, 20.
Everything will be warm the whole time.
Yeah.
What do you,
But
y'all
I'm
think
all
we
about
halfway?
warm water.
Halfway.
I think we're more than halfway.
We're more than
if that's
halfway.
the top right there, we're more than halfway.
Yeah, we're more. We're about
Alright.
a quarter way.
So if y'all look, you can see maybe a little bit. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but we're almost there. Harris want to take these steps
Some take.
instead of the other ones because she don't like the straightaway. But we gonna get it. On your one.
Come on. Yeah.
All right now.
You better run out to the end. Don't you stop.
Y'all can't see, but she gonna be up there dead. Breathing hard. Watch.
You better not stop.
She stopped already.
I told you.
We just need the cadence. A-Rock. What a cadence at A-Rock?
Left, right, left, right.
Oh.
Right, left, right, left. Right, left. Left, right, left, right. Right, left, right, left. Right, left. So we're here now, it looks way better. We're going up on the mountain.
Look at the water. I can't wait to get in the water. Look at them houses down there.
Oh,
though.
that's the way that we're going. Because there's nothing else up here.
It's another good viewpoint.
She needs a part of this.
Your mom?
I think she deserves it.
Alley, back that way, that far one.
Yeah.
That would be south. And this would be north.
She better ask
That's
for
Maui
phone.
Alright, so we on the last stretch to the top. It wasn't that bad, really. Felt like it at certain parts, but it wasn't that bad overall.
That way.
Okay, we're going into the bunker. What's it called? A war
Old
bunker?
war bunker.
Old war bunker.
Oh, well, you guys.
I'm gonna go down here. Here we started down there. You see how you like? Look how you can't really see how small it is. But even I got a duck to go down here, so you know it's small. So go down here. Oh, they said this is where they put. They had like the machine guns and stuff like right here. So you go down. It's a little sketch, I can't lie, it's a little sketch.
How far does it?
You going all the way down? Mm-hmm. Okay, I didn't want to. But, yeah, let's get it off right there. There you can see it goes all the way down. We're not gonna go down there because I just don't want to, quite frankly. My hair's just everywhere. But we're gonna head back up because I wanna get to the very top. Yeah, and it's a little sketch out here.
Oh, my.
I gotta pay attention where I'm going. Fix it, fix it, fix it. This is how you get out of it. That's why I came in there earlier. You see, like, the top's right there, so you gotta, like, duck down. Remember that duck walk we had to do? This is why. That's why they teach you how to duck walk.
Oh, it is? Okay. You see this war bunker? Holy moly, I wish I
So this is like the very top. The very top of the hike.
Look at that stage. Is that the Polynesian stage or what? That'd be cool to know what that stage is.
Oh, I don't know. It looks like it.
Wow.
Go up here.
Let's have one.
Can I have some?
It's nice. Okay, so this is the very top of Diamond Head. We finally made it. Nothing but water. And then all the, of course, the beaches on the, the hotels on the beach. An animal in their natural habitat. They do weird things. Weird things. Don't read signs. They don't read signs, as you see. It's terrible. What does it say? Stay behind the railing for your safety and to prevent erosion. Look who's on the other side of the rail. Terrible. She's a bad influence. Look at that water. The water's crazy. The water is crazy.
It's like a thing right here. Come over here.
It's really nice.
He's like, no.
Paris. Buddy.
Yeah.
We made it to the top. We did it.
We did it.
Yeah.
Headed back down.
Okay. Because coming down.
Running up here and like showing off to the tourists.
You're running up here.
Oh yeah. That's something I would be into.
Yeah, if I lived here, I totally would.
Just now, on your way coming down.
I bet you're military, ain't you? And you can't do it? No, that's what I would do if I was living here.
Or you can maybe make it better. You can give yourself a challenge and do it in maybe 10 minutes.
He's running.
Yeah, time yourself every time
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
to see how much you improve.
And when you meet people, you tell them, get out of my way.
Get out of my way.
Yeah, get out of my way. I have 10 minutes to be up there. Get out of my way.
Did y'all ask about an aquarium?
Yeah.
We do have one here.
Yeah, we did.
It sucks though.
Oh, it does?
Yeah, that's what Jacob told me. She said it's trash. Which I would think it would be like, you know, one of the better ones because the one
You
in
see
San
what
Diego
who's over there?
is
Harris
nice.
is getting.
Yeah.
I love the one in San
She's
Diego.
close
Yeah, I
now.
love that.
Harris?
Yes.
No one is breathing hard anymore.
We're going down. That's the easy part.
Oh man. We should go back up.
I'm good for the day.
Hold on. I think
Uh,
it's slowing down. Look.
On your one. What is it? Double time?
Yeah.
Double time. Don't you do that.
That's bad, right, Pico?
That's terrible.
Terrible. What's wrong with you?
I'm a bad influence all around.
Oh,
Clearly, we already got that.
See, these shoes aren't it. I'm almost there.
It's not the shoes, once again. It's your feet.
I just have to know it's the shoes. I'm trying to tell you, my shoes, they're
her shoes is not good for going down because she needs to be stable.
Cause like, you know, with this big ass,
Guess what? Her feet is going like this, left, right, in the.
no, it's the thick.
Oh.
It's the thick.
You know what? Shut up, man. Shut up.
So, guess what? It's like a sponge tennis. That's what you have, right? It's just a sponge, right?
Yeah, kinda, not really.
Oh man,
I gotta hike more.
It's like a sponge that doesn't.
I'm convinced.
It's a hard soul.
not for hiking.
Yeah. I'm convinced hiking might be a good thing for me.
Yeah. I think really good for you. We didn't wear our flowers today, Kika.
Really? Oh yeah.
Flowers.
Oh.
You forgot?
No, I didn't forget. I was keeping that for the beach, you know.
Oh.
Did you bring it?
No, it's not in my bag. It's
Have
in.
an extra one. I'll lend it. I'll load it.
You see how she's good to you, Peek'em? She's good to you.
Oh, you should have seen the picture we took yesterday. We were like angel flying in the water.
We saw the Disney resort last night.
Yeah, thanks for the invite.
I know.
Hey,
I had no idea where I was going. I was just going with Santos.
It was
Santos' room is right next to mine too. He could have easily just knocked.
And then we live.
And then he got to pass Harris too. So
It was,
I'm gonna have a conversation with
Yeah,
Santos.
yeah.
you have no
Yeah.
idea what happened.
He takes
first.
us everywhere.
Don't
He's
you
been here
say
like
that.
a million times.
Nope, he's in trouble now.
He's not taking you everywhere because he's not here right now.
No, he's got family.
He's not here right
He's
now.
with family today. Remember he told us? Remember?
That's what I say. He's not here right now.
I just want to eat some good food tonight
You want to have?
and have some drinks.
And have a Mai Tai.
Yeah, 2 or 3.
Is that what you guys are looking for? What to
5,
do?
6.
Yeah.
Food
Eating and drinking?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you not?
I'm looking to dance.
Oh, that's right.
Peek 'em, I'll go drink and watch you do salsa.
And watch you dance.
And I will be.
And then if I have enough drinks, I might come out there and learn.
How you will be dancing all the way through, right?
Yeah, hold on. Let me see. Hold on. Let me get you on there.
Wow.
Go ahead.
How do you dance?
Oh, I will be like.
Salsa, hey, arriba! Oh!
We'll be dancing the rhythm.
I didn't even know I could do that much before I did it.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Hey,
Whoa! She's smooth. Y'all see that footwork?
on the rocks.
On the rocks.
I want to do some pull-ups. Where the little bars at? I believe past them already.
Here you go. Here you go.
They're like connected to those, but those are down. Those are off.
You can barely walk and you want to stop and do pull-ups?
Yeah, because they don't require me to walk.
Is it the shoes?
Yes. If you guys buy these shoes, do not hike with them.
You just gotta let the shoes turn, but not your feet.
No, that's impossible.
No, it's not. My shoes doing the same thing because it's all soft up here. So my shoe will turn, but keep your foot straight.
She has to tie it very well if she wants to.
Mine's not. My shoes are not even. You can see how loose my shoes are.
Yeah, that's true.
Weren't they going dancing today?
Nada, ni siquiera colado.
We finished. We made it to the end. Yeah. We're gonna go down here and get some pineapples. So they have like a, there's like a pineapple. It's kind of like a food truck, but they have pineapples and stuff out there too. So we're gonna go down there and try some things. I just want that pineapple ice cream because it's hot. It's hot. Shit. Yeah. Good times. If you're watching this, just know, at this moment, I don't want to go home. I want to stay here. I want to move here. I love it. Bro, y'all, look at that. Look at that. What is that? Look at that. Heck no. Boy, I just ran so fast. Oh my God.
Gotta keep it real with you. I thought you were down. You thought that I